Hello, good evening, Kwa.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today, Kwa?
I'm good.
I'm good, very good. That's good to know. And did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Yes, wow, that's nice. What did you eat for dinner?
I eat fried rice for
Fried,
dinner
fried rice with fried rice
with
and
beef.
beef. Oh, wow, that's very delicious. Fried rice with beef. Who cooked your dinner? Did your mom cook your dinner?
Yes.
That's so nice. Okay, that's very delicious. Fried rice is very famous, especially in our place in the Philippines. So every morning we eat fried rice. Okay, so now thank you very much for sharing your dinner with our class for today's kwa for today Kwa. So now let's move on to our new lesson. So can you please read the title of our lesson for today?
Unit 9. Books and reading.
Okay, very good. So we will talk about books and reading for today. So Kwa, do you like to read books?
Yes.
Yes. What kind of books do you read? Do
I
you what kind of
I
books?
read um
Do you read English story books, Vietnam books, or Vietnamese books? What are the books that you read? Or do you know manga? Manga. Or do you know anime?
no.
Ano, you don't know anime. Oh,
Um
yes. What kind of books do you read?
I read expedition.
And what do you read? Extra
Expeditions.
expeditions? Oh,
Yes.
what kind of expeditions? What
Is
kind?
the
What kind? Is it about hiking? What expeditions?
is explore the sea under the sea.
Oh, under the sea, expeditions under the sea. Wow, that's very nice. That's a good book because you will learn a lot of things, especially the things that we can see under the sea.
The
See
names of book I read is 20,000 Miles Under the Sea.
20,000. Okay, let me check. 20,000 miles under the sea? Oh,
Yes,
miles. Oh, is it this one, this word? This one, 20,000. Is this correct?
yes.
Oh, okay. So this one, we call it as miles, not miles. One more time. Can you say miles?
Mile.
Okay, very good. So 20,000 miles under the sea. Wow. I think that is a very interesting book. What are the things when reading the book, 20,000 miles under the sea? What are the things that interests you? Do you like to know more about the sea creatures? Do you like what are the things that interest you under the sea? Why do
What
you read?
interest
Yes, interest. Um, what are the things that you like under the sea? That is why you are reading this book.
um, is the
Is the
octopus, the
octopus?
big octopus,
Oh, the big
very
octopus.
big.
Yeah, and in real life, do you believe that there is a big octopus in real life?
Yes.
Yes, yes. I also do believe because there are some theories that they said that we haven't able to explore more of our sea or under the sea. That is why most of the people do not know what's under the sea or what's really are or what really are the things that are under the sea. So we only explored like small percentage of our planet Earth. Okay, so that is wow, that's a nice book that you read. Okay, so now, so again, so we have here our lesson objectives, vocabulary, phrases, reading, and discussion. And as usual, we will start with vocabulary, which is all about the new words that we can learn. Okay, so let's first start with our first word. So, can you read this one?
Ebook
Very good. Ebook. Do you know, Kwa, what an ebook is?
is the book on the internet.
Very good. Very good. So, when we say ebook, it is the book that we can read on the internet. So, as we can see here in the picture, what is the person using to read an ebook? What is he using? He's using a what
Mm,
what what kind of technology is this? Is he using a phone, a computer in this
a
picture?
phone,
Yes, a phone or what we call a tablet. So a tablet is a big phone. So yes, this is
iPad.
yes, iPad. Yes, like your iPad. This is what
I am using an iPad.
yes. What I also have an iPad and I also read books. A lot of books in my iPad. This. And for this one, this is the ebook. So you are right. This is the book that we can read on the internet. And for this one, Kwa, have you tried reading an ebook before?
Yes.
Yes. What are the things that you read on the internet? What kinds of book you read on the internet using the ebook?
I I read the I read uh,
Read? What do you read? Do you also read about under the sea stories?
I read novel.
Oh, novels. Okay. What kind of novels? Is it English novels?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice that you are reading novels or English novels because it will help you. It is helpful for you to be able to know a lot of words, especially when I read English novels, there are a lot of words that are unfamiliar. And when I encountered unfamiliar words, I search the meaning of those words, and that's how I learn most of the English words that I know right now. So that is one good practice to practice your understanding and practice reading English. Oh, what happened, Kwa? What happened? Your iPad died.
Teacher, what's wrong?
What happened? I don't know. Your iPad died again?
What's wrong?
I don't know also. You just left the Zoom meeting. And I didn't click anything. What is happening? I think it's about your internet. No?
I was suddenly disconnected.
Oh, but I I think it's about your internet connection. Yeah. I thought also that your iPad died already again. Okay, so again, that is ebook. So next, let's have this next word or our next word. What is our next word?
Favorite.
Okay, very good. It's favorite. So when we say favorite kwa, what is your understanding about favorite or the word favorite?
Teacher,
Yes.
I remember favorite have the was you.
Huh?
Uh, here.
What did you remember? You remember favorite? Ah, there was you. Yes. Both words are correct. So most people, this word favorite without you. So this is the most general spelling of favorite. But for favorite, so the difference between two is favorite. This one is American English. Favorite without you is American English. However, favorite with you is a British English, meaning, so this is what they use in United Kingdom. Favorite. So this is
Yes.
yes, this is general or American English without you. Okay, so that's why I thought it's about anything that yeah, both spellings are correct. So it depends on how you use it or how you pronounce it. Okay. So when we say favorite, so kwa, this is the thing that you like the most. And since you've mentioned earlier that you read the 20,000 Miles Under the Sea book, is it your favorite book?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's so nice. And how about who is the okay, so that is your favorite. So that's nice. So next, let's move on to our next page. This one. Can you please read this word?
Reader.
Reader. One more time, let's say reader.
Reader.
Okay, very good. So when we say reader, Kwa, what is your understanding of the word reader?
Is the person read the book and record is reader.
Okay, very good. The person who reads the book or who is reading a book. So when we say reader, a person who reads books. Do you think, do you think that you are a reader?
Mm,
Do you think you are a person who reads
yes,
books? Yes. Okay,
because
that's
I read many books.
you read many books. Yes. Very good. And it's so nice to know that you read many books because you can learn a lot of things, especially when reading. So next, let's move on to our next word. So can you read this one?
Content.
Okay, very good. Content. Do you have any idea what content is?
Content is the content.
Content is
Content is Mina.
you can
Uh,
do it. When we say content, it is
uh, is the purport
It's the
It's similar purport.
purport? Huh? It's the okay. So let's simplify it or simplify your definition of content or purpose. Do you know? Are you saying purpose? Purpose? Is this correct?
No, purport.
Purports?
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
Hmm? What do you mean by purports? Okay, so let's just simplify the word. So when we say content, it is the ideas, words, or pictures inside the book. Like, for example, your favorite book is 20,000 Miles Under the Sea. So, meaning the content of the book is about the things or the animals under the sea. That is the content of your favorite book. For example, you love a romance book or romantic books. So the content of the book that you like is about romance, about love. So that is what content means. Okay, so it is the ideas, words, or pictures that when you read a book, that is the main idea that you will get. Okay, that is content. So next, let's move on to our next word. Can you read the next word?
Order.
Okay, one more time. Let's say author. Author.
Order.
Author.
Offer.
Okay, very good. So author. Wait, let me just. So, do you have any idea what an author is? Author.
Author is mean the person write a book, a
Very good.
story.
Very good. A person who writes a book or a story. Yes, very good. So when we say author, this is the person, the one who writes the book or a story. Do you know the author of Harry Potter? Do you know Harry Potter?
Yes.
Yes. And do you know who is the author of Harry Potter?
No.
Okay, so the author of Harry Potter is J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling. So this is
Yes.
the one who created the story or the book Harry Potter. He is the one who writes. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next word. What is this?
Bookworm.
Bookworm. Very good. So for when we say bookworm, do we mean that there is a worm on the book? Do we mean by that bookworm?
No.
There is a worm on the book.
It is the is a person like
Uh,
books.
Okay, very good. So when we say bookworm, it does not necessarily means that there is a worm on the book. Worm. So when we say bookworm, it has a deeper meaning. So it means that a person who loves or likes reading books very much.
Yes.
Okay. Do
My
you think?
friend is a bookworm.
Wow, your friend is that Ming?
No.
Ano? Your other friend?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. And why do you say that your friend is a bookworm?
Because my friends, when I meet him, I see him always
Ah,
reads book.
oh, okay, that's why. Yes, that is it. A bookworm is a person who loves reading books very much. So they are the person who reads book every day. So we can see in many places they are reading books. At school, they read books, and that is a bookworm. So next, very good idea. So next, let's move on to our Next, we have here a phrase. So can you read our first phrase? What is it?
relieve stress,
Okay, one more time. Let's say relieve. Relieve stress.
relieve stress.
Okay, very good. Not relive. Because relive, it spells as relive. So this one is relieve. Relieve stress. When we say relieve stress, Kwa, what do you mean by relieve stress? Hmm.
Is when we feel stress and we uh, decrease it.
Okay, very good. Or we do things. We do things to decrease our stress.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So when we feel stress, we do things to decrease our stress. So that is about relieving stress or relieve stress. So do you think that reading can relieve your stress? Do you think that when you are reading, it does relieves your stress when you are reading?
Yes.
Yes, yes, very good. Because when we are reading books, we go into different point of views. So we tend to forget of our problems. So it relieves our stress, especially those bookworms, those people who loves reading books. Reading books is one of their stress relievers. Next. Okay, so can you read this one? What is our next word?
Non-fiction.
Okay, one more.
Non-fiction
Okay, very good. It's non-fiction. So when we say non-fiction, do you have any idea what is non-fiction?
is the real book.
It's the
Real book
yes, it's the real book. Oh, what we can say or what we can mean. Non-fictions are books. Non-fictions are book about
is
real things, facts, or
is
history.
similar. Uh,
Similar. It's similar to your favorite book, 20,000
uh, yes.
Miles Under the Sea, because it talks about real life. It talks about the things that we can see under the sea. So those are the things. It is a non-fiction. Next, how about this one? Can you read our next word?
Is the fiction.
Fiction, very good. It's fiction. And since we have non-fiction, what do we mean by fiction? What is
Is
fiction?
the book right? The uh
Books are if since a non-fiction is about real things.
the content is fake, not real.
Yes, very good. The fiction books or books are books that has contents that are not real or fake or what we call made up stories. Especially this one. We have here an example. What book is this? Kwa. What
Is
is
Harry
the
Potter.
Harry Potter? And since you know about Harry Potter, what is Harry Potter all about? Have you already read Harry Potter?
No,
No. Okay, so Harry Potter is about witchcraft. Witchcraft. So they use magic. So do you think magic or witchcraft is real?
yes,
Huh? Do you think magic, doing magic
yes,
or witchcraft is real? Are you
yes,
sure?
yes.
No, we don't have evidences that magic or witchcraft is real. That's why we can say that Harry Potter's story is fictional. So it means it is a made up stories, especially those stories about dragons. Do you think dragons are real?
No,
No, yes, because those
but
are
in the history can have drag.
yes, in the history, yes, there are dragons, but there are no scientific evidences that can say that dragons are real. Unlike dinosaurs, dinosaurs have bones, or what do we call that artifacts? Bones of dinosaurs. So we call those, or there are museums. There are museums that consists of the fossils of the dinosaurs, which means there are bones, there are skeletals or remains. There are remains of the dinosaurs. So for dragons, they say that dragons before are real, but there are no scientific basis. There are no bones of dragons before.
Mm.
Unlike the dinosaurs, there are museums that you can visit, especially in the United States. There are bones of dinosaurs, not dragons. So that's it, fiction. So these are not real stories. So next, let's move on to our next word.
It's improve.
Improve. Okay. When we say improve, what do you mean by improve?
Improve is
Improving.
today we good, tomorrow we better, and
Okay, very
final
good.
we have best.
Very good. Nice. So not today. So today we are not good, but in the future we will get better. So that is improve, to make something better. So is example, right now or right this day you are not good at English, but after studying for so many long, or after studying for many years, your English has improved. So that is because of your hard work, because you work hard to make your English better. So that is improve or improving. Okay, so very good. So that's so nice. Okay. Oh, okay. So let's have another phrase here. So can you please read?
To be a big reader.
Can you also read the sentence? She
He is
is?
really a big reader.
Okay, very good. So when we say to be a big reader, do you have any idea what this phrase means? Do you have
Is
it?
mean a person read the books very many.
Yes, very good. Yes. So it means, or it describes a person who reads a lot of books, many books. So that is being a big reader, someone who loves reading and spends much time with books. So, is your friend also a big reader? Your bookworm friend?
Yes.
How about you? Are you a big reader?
Um. No, I
Sometimes.
am a medium reader.
Oh, medium reader. Okay, same. I also don't read books a lot. So I don't consider myself as a big reader, just a medium reader. Okay. So that's so nice. So next, okay, so let's have a review of the words that we had learned. Okay. So first read the sentence before you choose the correct answer. So can you please read the first question?
Mm, is what does improve mean? I choose B to
Oh,
make something better.
Okay, very good. So, improve means to make something better. So, next question. Please first read the question.
What
Oh,
is nonfiction?
mm-hmm.
Is a book about real facts.
Okay, very good. So, when we say nonfiction, we are talking about real things that happened. So, it is about real facts. So, next, mm, this one. Read the.
Yeah. Is favorite mean something you like the most?
Okay, very good. It's something that we like the most. Favorite or my favorite food, for example. Next,
Next is who is the author of a book is the person who writes the book.
okay, so the person who writes the book. Okay, one more time. Can you read this word? Let's say
The
author.
author
Author. Okay, very good. Not other. Author. So it is silent. Ah, is it silent T? So it is a TH sound. So like that. So a smooth TH sound, not the author. Okay. Next, so yes, this is the person who writes book. So next, let's have this one. Oh, why is it mixed up? Okay, this one.
which was described by a person who loves reading many books is the bookworm.
Very good. It's bookworm because they are the one who loves to read so much books. And what is our other phrase for bookworm? What is the phrase for bookworm? It is, what is the
Is
other word?
is
Starts with letter B. B also. It's big. Big what? Ah, what is the other term for the person who loves read books? We call them also as big reader. So bookworm and big reader is somehow similar with each other because both person who is a bookworm or big reader, so they both like to read books. Okay. So next, let's have another question. This is the last question. This one.
what is an ebook? Is the book read on a screen?
Okay, very good. It is a book that you read on screen. Okay, so for this one, Kwa, since we are in our modern generation, so do you think, what do you prefer? Do you prefer reading on a paper or do you prefer reading on an iPad or an ebook?
In a um
What do you
iPad.
prefer? Oh, you prefer to read on the iPad or ebook?
Yes,
Oh, why? Why do you like to read on iPad?
because very
It's very
it's very convenient.
okay, very good. So it's since it is in our modern time where technology or when technology is very relevant right now. So technology makes our life easier, especially when we read books. So there are a lot of things that we can read. We do not have to buy physical books. We can just search the book and we can just buy it online. So it is very convenient. We can easily find some books that we want to read. Unlike when we go to a library, there are a lot of books. We will find we need to find the book that we like before we can read a book. So it is very much convenient, especially reading online. Okay, next, let's have our reading and discussion. So now, can you first please read our story here, which is about what is the title of our story?
Peter talks about reading.
Okay, very good. So it's about Peter.
I like reading a lot. I have a I had a patience for reading since I was a child. I often spend at least two 2 hours a day on reading. I enjoy reading many kinds of books. When I was little, I like read comic books or history book. Now I like to read books about science, museums, or pi- biology. I like some books such as The World is Flat, The Power of Introverts, The Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. I have read them many times, but I never feel bored about them. I like to stay alone in my room and read books. It is very quiet, which helps me fully concentrate on reading. Sometimes if I feel staying in my room is a little boring, I will go to a coffee shop or the library and find a quiet corner to read. Reading helps improve our knowledge. We can have good understanding about everything in our lives, such as history, chemistry, music, and biology. For reading books, moreover, it is also a good way to relax. When concentrating on reading, we can forget all tiredness of stress in life.
Okay, okay, so very good. So now again, let's read the words that we have here. Let's first read this one. Let me just this one.
Patience,
Okay, one more time. Let's say passion.
passion,
Passion. Okay, very good. So next, can you again read this word?
reading,
Okay, very good. Because earlier you read it as read, only read. So make sure don't forget the ing sound, reading. So because both of these words have different meaning. So this one is a present tense, this one is its original form. Next, how about this one? Can you read this word?
business,
Okay, one more time. Let's say business. Business.
business,
Yes, silent I. So not business, it's business.
business,
Okay, very good. And this one, can you read this one?
psychology,
Okay, one more time. Let's say psychology.
psychology,
Okay, very good. Psychology.
psychology,
Okay, very good. So next, this one.
stress,
Okay, very good. So nice. So this one, so these are the words that you need to practice on how to read them. But I can see that you can get it with just one or hearing the word itself. Now, let's answer the following question. So before you answer, let's first read the question. Number one.
Number one is does Peter like reading?
Okay.
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. Very good. Yes, he does. Why? Why do you say that Peter likes reading?
Because in the first,
The first.
he says he likes reading a lot
Yes. And how about this one? He also said that he had, what did he say?
and he had a passion,
Passion.
passion
Okay, very
for
good.
reading science
Okay, this one. Let's say since. Since.
since
Okay.
he was a child.
Okay, very good. So that's it. So Peter likes reading a lot because he had a passion for reading since he was a child. So when we say passion, this is the things that we love to do or we
Mm.
want to do. That is a passion. Next, can you please read question number two? How often? What is question number two? How often
How often
does,
does Peter read books?
okay, how often does Peter read books?
Yes.
How often he reads?
He he often spent at least 1 to 2 hours a day on reading.
Okay, very good. So he spent at least 1 to 2 hours of reading a day. So next question, can you please read the next question?
Yes. Uh, what are Peter's favorite kinds of books?
Okay, what are Peter's favorite kinds of books?
He like he likes reading many kinds of book.
Yes.
He likes reading comic book or history book and about science,
About
business
science.
or psychology.
Okay, psychology. Very good. So next, number four.
Why does Peter like to read in his room?
Why?
Because uh because he like to stay alone.
And why? Why does he likes to?
Because read in his room is very quiet,
It's very quiet. And when it is very quiet, we can fully.
fully concentrate on reading.
Okay, very good. So when it is very quiet, we can fully concentrate on reading. We can fully understand what we are reading. So for you, Kwa, do you think it is what do you prefer? Reading in a loud place or reading in a quiet place?
Loudly.
Huh? You prefer to read in a loud place?
Yes,
Really? You
it
st-
make me don't bored.
oh, you still understand what you are reading, especially when reading in a loud place? Y-
Reading quiet is very bored.
Oh, it's very boring. But even if it's loud or even if you are in a loud place, do you still understand what you are reading?
Yes,
Oh, that's so nice. Okay. Because a teacher, I
I
prefer.
I always read 2,000 miles in the class.
Oh, in the class. Oh, do you also like to read in a coffee shop? Do you read in a coffee shop?
Yes,
Okay, because a coffee shop is a famous place, especially for those people who are really or really likes to read books. Okay, so next let's move on to our last question. According
according to Peter, what are the benefits of reading?
Okay, according to Peter, what are the benefits or what are the good things that we can get when we read?
Is reading has improved our knowledge?
Mm, yes. Also,
We can have good understanding about everything in our lives,
such
such
as,
as history, chemistry, business,
very good.
and biology. Through reading books, moreover, it is also a good way to relax when concentrating on reading. It can forget all tiredness of strength in life.
Okay, very good. So, when we are reading, according to Peter, so it is a good way to improve our knowledge. It is a good way to learn things about our lives, and also it is a good way to relax. And also, as what we have learned earlier, it is one way to relieve stress in life.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so very good. So I can see that you really understand what is or what do Peter talks about reading. So for you, Kwa, do you think reading is a good way to relax? Why? Or why not?
Yes. Yes, because read book can make we decrease the stress.
Okay, good. Can make me decrease the stress. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. So that's nice. Okay, and how about if you were Peter, what kind of books you will choose to read?
I choose to read many books.
What kind of books specifically? What are the genres?
Food. I can read all the kinds of book.
Oh, all kinds of books. Oh, how do you read horror books?
Yet,
Yes, do you read horror books? Wow.
can
What?
you write it?
Huh?
Can you write it?
Can you read horror books?
Horror book?
Yes, those are scary stories.
Yes,
Yes,
I
okay.
like read scary story.
Okay, very good. So instead of saying I like read scary stories, we can say I like reading. So we must
Yeah.
use the present form. I like reading scary stories. So nice. I also do like to read scary stories. I also have a lot of books that are horror books. Okay, so that's good. That's nice. Okay. Oh, okay. So actually for this one, so I think we finish our what is this unit 9 about books and reading. So before we end our lessons, I have much more questions for you.
Oh,
Not this one because we will have this in our free talk. So for this one, do you have any idea what are comic books? Do you know comic books?
yes.
Yes. What kind of books are this?
Is is mm,
It's a book or it
is similar animated film.
yes, very good. So this comic book are similar to animated films or
Yeah.
animated things because comic book so it is like a booklet or a book that
Yeah.
tells a story using pictures. So that is especially do you know anime?
Yes.
Yes, so most of the stories in anime, we call it as manga. So this is the comic books in Japan. So manga. So it consists of pictures that tells stories. Next,
Yeah.
how about history books? Do you know history? What is history books?
It's the book talk the history talk about the
Yes.
history.
Yes. What when we say history, what is history?
History is the
Is about what is it? What is it all
is
about?
the ancients.
Ancient. This one, ancient.
Yes.
Ancient. Okay, very good. History is about ancient. So when we say ancient, these are the things that
Uh,
are from the past. These
yes.
these are the things that happened before.
Yeah, before.
That is history. How about science? Do you know what science is?
Science is the mix one to one and make is teach to make the vaccines.
Oh, yes, very good. So, meaning science are books that are systematic. So, when we say systematic, it is evidence based. So, um it gives knowledge through observation and experimentation. So, science is all about explaining how the universe or how the natural world operate.
Yeah.
And yes, so it has scientific method, like what you have told about vaccines. How do vaccines are made? So this is science. How about business? Do you know what business books are?
Is the book help we to be a
It's about, do you know marketing?
rich pupil?
Oh yes, very good. Business are books that focuses on rich people. So for example, those people who owns a company, so they write a book about themselves. That is a business book. So it is about entrepreneurship, management, leadership, and marketing. So that is business book. How about psychology? Do you know what psychology is?
Is
Actually,
the
yes,
is the mm, is uh
it's about. Actually, this is
sick
teacher.
is a
S-
sick of brain.
Oh, are you sure? It only talks
Yes.
about sick person?
No, sick
No.
of brain.
Sick of brain? No. It doesn't only talks about the sickness in brain. So it talks about human mind. So when we say psychology, it does not only talks about illnesses, diseases. No. So it talks about human mind, how we grow as a human or how our brain processes. Actually, this is teacher's major. I I really am not I do not major in teaching, but I do major in psychology. I graduated as a psychology. Yes, this is my career right now, psychology. So we study human mind. So we study the growth of a person, the growth of human mind, how does mind processes, and it is about also the abnormality of the mind.
Yeah.
Yes, so this is a good subject because you will learn more about humans, how humans process their minds, how humans how most humans are bad, or how criminals mind works. So we study that in psychology. Okay, so that's it. So that is the different kinds of our books that we have. Okay, so for this one, my most favorite book is psychology because if you want to learn more about people, you choose psychology. So you will learn
Yeah.
about the person's behavior, why do they have an attitude like that. So that's it. Okay, so before we end our lesson, Kwa, so do you have any questions or like personal questions that you wanted to you
No,
want
no, no, no.
no 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 no. Are you sleepy?
Yeah. I sleep.
You will sleep after the class?
Yeah.
Oh, Ronaldo. Why is your name Ronaldo? My my other student, I think you've met my other student. The my student who always plays bamboozle. He loves Ronaldo.
Yeah. I love Ronaldo.
You know Ronaldo. Ronaldo
Yeah.
is a famous soccer player, right? Or football player. Is
Yes.
that correct? Oh, and Ronaldo is very, very good. Also, he is very kind. That's why
Yeah.
most of the people uh really, really likes Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we just have how many seconds? 20 seconds. Okay. So thank you very much for your time today, Kwa. So good job for finishing Unit 5 and also for
Thank you. Yes. Yes.
yes, and also
Yes.
good job for
Goodbye,
showcasing your
teacher.
goodbye teacher. Good job for showcasing your knowledge or what you have known for this lesson. So thank you and
Yeah.
goodbye. You can now rest. Bye bye bye. Thank you so much.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, good night, and take care. Bye bye
Goodbye,
bye
teacher.
bye. Goodbye. You can now
Can
leave.
you can you off the meeting?
Oh yes, I will off it. Oh, this one. Bye bye. I will off it now.